Hi everyone. This video will guide you on quickly enable nearby sharing on Windows 11. How to quickly enable nearby sharing on Windows 11? To enable nearby sharing on Windows 11, do the following steps. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows +E simultaneously from the keyboard. Text, right-click any file, and select the Show More options from the pop-up context menu. Click the Share option. On the pop-up window that appears, select the Everyone Nearby option from the drop-down menu next to Nearby Sharing. That's it. Now, Nearby Sharing and Bluetooth will turn on your computer. By default, files you receive via Nearby Sharing are saved to your user account Downloads folder, but you can change that in the Settings app. To do that, navigate to Settings, System, Nearby Sharing. Click the Change button next to Save Files I Received to and select the desired location on your computer. Windows 10 also allows you to choose who can share with you. Every nearby Windows 10 PC can default share or receive files from you. If you select the My Devices Only Step 4 above Steps 4, nearby sharing will only work between PCs you've signed into with the same Microsoft account. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.